Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add certificate on LinkedIn. So first you need to open your LinkedIn account and go for your profile here and go for settings and privacy. Oh no, go for view profile. Then you can see here add profile section. Go for recommended. And you can see here add licenses and certifications. So click on it. And now you have to enter your certificate name. So I'll enter here. Okay, now enter your organization name. So this is my organization, and you have to enter your issue date here. Okay, expiration date, then uh, credential ID. So now URL. Okay, this is my URL and credential ID here. Yeah. Okay. Now you can add your skills here and go for save. Okay. It's loading. Wait. Go for next. You can post it on your timeline or whatever. Otherwise, just skip it. Okay. Now it's done. So, guys, this is how you can add certificate on LinkedIn. So hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.